The question is asking about the reason for the shift in theme between 1950s and 1970s. Where do we have the reference to the theme? At the end of the second paragraph, it says that the theme of messages of love in the 1950s got changed to the theme of messages of peace in the 1970s. So the question is asking about a reason for the shift in this theme. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A is the reason technical advances. Now the passage does mention level of technology was improved in the 1970s, but this is not cited in the context of the theme of music. Also, it is not clear how technical advances would make musicians shift their music from the theme of love to the theme of peace. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, anti-establishment ideology gained support among musicians in the 70s. Now, if this is true, the musicians in the 1970s are more likely to write music on the lines of protest or demonstrations rather than on the lines of peace. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, use of music as a tool of social influence allowed musicians to integrate with social movements of the time. Now, this is a close answer choice, but it doesn't say what the social movements of the time were. Were they related to peace? We are not sure. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's get rid of it. Answer choice D. A number of world affairs in the 1960s complicated international relationships. Now, if this is true, then it is possible that the conflict creates the fear of war, and hence the musicians shifted their focus from the message of love to the message of peace. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E. Message of love from the 50s continued to receive popular support in the 70s. If this is true, the message of love is likely to continue in the 70s. However, we know that the message of love got changed to the message of theme. So this answer choice can be eliminated. So overall, we see that answer choice D is the correct answer.